Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're jumping into a report from Virtualization Options LLC that's all about a new way to think about corporate security training. We're going to zero in on Chapter 3, which is where they get into the nitty-gritty of building a program that can actually keep up with the insane speed of AI.
So this report from Virtualization Options LLC really frames the whole problem as a fundamental shift, moving from static to dynamic learning. We're going to focus on the technology they describe in their framework that makes it possible to finally ditch those outdated courses and move to a living, real-time training system.
And this really is the million-dollar question for every single organization right now, isn't it? You've got these new AI-powered threats. I'm talking hyper-realistic deepfakes, phishing scams so convincing it's scary, and they can pop up and spread in just a matter of hours. The problem? Our traditional way of developing training is measured in weeks or even months. That creates this huge and frankly dangerous gap between what employees are trained on and what they're actually up against.
I mean, think about the traditional workflow. It just wasn't built for this new reality. A security team spots a new threat, but by the time a training module is scripted, designed, approved, and finally rolled out, the attackers have already changed their tactics. It means your team is constantly playing catch-up.
Now, the solution put forward in the report is a total shift in mindset, moving away from static courses to what they call a living knowledge library. So instead of a finished product, think of it more like a dynamic brain for your company's security knowledge. It's powered by AI tools like Google's Notebook LM, which can synthesize and let you query massive amounts of info, like instantly.
So, how does this living library actually work in practice? Well, the report organizes it all around 3 core pillars. This structure is what keeps everything organized, relevant, and easy to get to when you need it most. First up, Pillar 1. Think of this as your direct line to the front lines. It's a constantly updated feed of new AI attack patterns, incident reports, and what are known as CVEs. That stands for Common Vulnerabilities and Exposures. This lets your security team ask questions in plain English and get immediate answers based on the absolute latest intelligence.
The second pillar is all about governance, basically the rules of the road. It brings together every single internal policy on AI use, plus all the external regulations your organization has to follow, things like the EU AI Act or NIST frameworks. So when a new rule is passed or a policy gets an update, boom, it's reflected here instantly. You get a single searchable source of truth for all things compliance.
And the third pillar is where the magic of personalization happens. The library gets segmented into these curated collections for different roles. So your engineers get the deep dives on secure model development, while your executives get the high-level strategic briefings on liability and risk. This means the training is never generic, it's always laser-focused on the specific risks that matter to that person's job.
Okay, the theory is fantastic, but what does this new model really mean in the real world? As the report shows, the practical impact on your speed and agility is, well, it's nothing short of dramatic.
And this chart just illustrates the difference perfectly. The report has data comparing the old workflow to this new AI-powered one. Just look at this. A threat brief that used to take a whole work week to put together can now be generated in less than a day. A full course that took 45 days, now it's done in 5. It's wild.
Across the board, we're talking about an 80 to 90% reduction in development time. Think about that for a second. It means that critical, actionable intel about a new threat can go from the security team to the entire workforce in hours, not weeks. That is an absolute game changer.
And this right here is the key takeaway. When your training program can operate at the speed of the bad guys, it stops being this simple checkbox exercise you do once a year. It becomes a responsive, strategic tool, a real defensive shield that actively protects the organization and gives you a real competitive edge in managing risk. So, the final question the report leaves us with is this. Is your current approach to security training giving your employees a history lesson on old attacks, or is it giving them a live, up-to-the-minute feed of the threats they're facing today? Because in the age of AI, the difference between those two has never been more critical.